By age 27, I had built 8 different streams of income inside of my real estate business. And I don't say that to brag, but simply just to let agents know that the possibilities are endless when building your business, especially in the real estate field. Most real estate agents think there's only one way to earn money as a realtor, and that's with commissions. But that's simply not true. As a realtor, you can build a multi-layered business with consistent income, real wealth, and multiple revenue streams without adding pressure or overwhelm. So today I'm breaking down all 8 of my streams of income that feed my real estate business. And if you stay to the end, I've got a bonus income stream that anyone inside or outside of the real estate field can take advantage of and start using today. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Stream 1 and the most popular is commissions. Still the bread and butter, commissions are the engine that drives it all. Commissions are unpredictable in the beginning, but with the right systems, marketing, and lead generation strategies in place, it stabilizes your commission income fast. The one thing I'll say here is if you're trying to find that momentum, it's important that you do the right activities consistently, and in some instances, paying for a mentor or a program can shortcut your startup time. For anyone that might be a little unfamiliar, here's a quick breakdown of the real estate agent's pay, assuming a 3% commission rate, just to give you an idea of what you should expect for pay. An agent that sells $5 million in sales volume should be expecting about $150,000 in gross commission income, and that's about 20 homes at a $250,000 price point. An agent selling $10 million in sales volume should expect to make $300,000, and an agent selling $15 million in sales volume should expect to make $450,000, and that's about 60 homes at a $250K price point. If you're early in your career, dial in the cost-effective lead strategies like pay-at-close lead referral programs, build your brand right from the beginning, stick to your follow-up, and get predictable and highly disciplined every single day with the right activities that push the needle forward with growing your business. Stream number 2 for me is rev share. This is a nice bonus and can really be a great income generator as it begins to grow. To give the short story on how this works, when you introduce an agent to eXp Realty and they close deals, you actually earn a share of the company's revenue from those deals. The best part about it is it doesn't come out of the agent's commission, it actually comes from eXp's side of the deal. eXp Realty rev share just recently switched to 2 layers of income by combining the expansion share with the exponential share, meaning bigger payouts to agents based on agent performance and also depth in the organization. So essentially with rev share, you build passive income by helping other agents succeed. You share the tools, the systems, the strategies that work for you, and you get rewarded for growing the company. If you want to learn more about how eXp Realty's rev share works, or you're interested in partnering with our group, then head on over to growwiththg.com to learn more. Moving on, income stream number 3 is company stock. If you're with a brokerage that offers equity like eXp or Real, this is a powerful tool for wealth building for agents. Here's a quick breakdown of the stock that you have the ability to earn at eXp Realty every single year. When you close your first transaction, you're awarded $200 worth of stock. When you sponsor a new agent, you're awarded $400 worth of stock. When you hit your cap at eXp, you're also awarded $400 worth of stock. And if you hit the icon agent, you can earn up to $16,000 in company stock. eXp Realty also does this really cool 5% equity program where they'll actually take 5% of every commission check and invest it back into the company at a 10% discount. Also, this is real ownership in the company. When you're rewarded stocks, you actually have joint ownership in your brokerage. Stream number 4 is kind of a unique one here, and that's a title company joint venture. This one's a little bit more advanced, but worth touching on because it's a huge add to our business. If you partner legally with a title company, you can actually receive monthly profit distributions, and a title company is a partner who you're already sending business to, so it naturally makes sense to add this stream of income. Of course, and it's obviously worth mentioning here, disclose this to clients and give them the choice to choose their own title company, but this stream does fund a lot of our client events and marketing and also reduces our overhead expenses every single month. Stream number 5 is just one-on-one agent coaching. Once we hit $30 million in annual sales volume, we had to implement this branch of the business because lots of agents and team leaders all across the country, they wanted one-on-one coaching from our leadership team. Coaching doesn't necessarily mean that you need to be the #1 agent in the country. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone who's trying to get to where you're at. And what I mean by that is an agent who's selling $3 million in real estate right now may want mentoring or coaching from an agent who's selling $10 million in real estate. Where on the other hand, an agent who sells $10 million in sales volume wants the guidance and the mentoring from an agent who's selling $30 million in real estate. Our coaching offers Zoom calls, check-ins, templates, playbooks, role plays, help agents shortcut where they are to where they want to go. Moving on to the 6th stream, this is a licensing course affiliate. People would ask us all the time, where'd you guys get your license from? Is there any flexible licensing courses out there that I can take advantage of? So naturally, we partnered with a company that we use because 1, they were all online, 2, it was self-paced, and 3, they had an affiliate program. This licensing course gave us a custom affiliate link, so now whenever someone signs up using our link, they get 40% off of the licensing course and materials, and we get 20% of the sale. This one was super simple and was a very easy way to add extra value and income with 0 extra effort. Stream 7 is the agent launch course. This one was truly built out of necessity. Let me explain why. When we were onboarding agents and coaching clients, we had no structured training, so we built a full course that would act as a roadmap when helping these agents grow and scale and implement all the systems and strategies that we were trying to teach them. The agent launch course walks agents through our entire $35 million sales setup, from onboarding to marketing to CRM setups and the automations and all the back-end support. It gives them a behind-the-scenes, step-by-step roadmap on creating a sustainable business. Agent launch quickly became a blueprint we now sell to other agents who want to duplicate our systems, strategies, and operations, but don't necessarily want the help or the coaching to come along with it. The 8th stream of income is rental properties. As a real estate agent, you obviously have insider access to all the best investment deals ahead of time. Whether it's duplexes, fix and flips, or off-market cash flow properties, you've got an edge because most of the time, you're the front line for these deals. So this is a well-used tool in creating and sustaining long-term wealth. The bonus stream of income that anyone can start using today is stock dividends. This one's for anyone in any field of work. Dividend-paying stocks reward you for owning shares of solid companies, and if you invest in the right funds, they're often Fortune 500 companies, so the top 500 companies in America. On these stock dividends, you get paid quarterly or sometimes monthly, and they can range anywhere from about 30 cents to $1.50 per share, and that's usually an average, but sometimes you have outliers that fall outside of that range. Stock dividends are a simple way to build passive income and also a good way to diversify your investing portfolio. Here's the truth, and it's important to remember, your number one goal as a realtor is obviously to help clients buy and sell homes. But once that's rolling, these income streams will naturally introduce themselves to you, just like they did for me. And to give you an idea of what we mean when we say only add these streams of income as they come naturally to your business, I mean that agent launch became a thing because we needed something to help onboard and train new agents. The licensing affiliate, this was created by being asked so many times where to get licensed and then learning to monetize that. Rev share, this just comes from helping agents grow and become successful realtors. The coaching side of the business started when agents and leaders kept asking us for one-on-one time, so we learned to monetize those meeting times. So that's it for today. Those are my 8 income streams. If you got any value from this, drop a like, subscribe, and connect with us on all of our social medias, or also visit us at our website at growwiththg.com. As always, I appreciate you guys tuning in, and we'll see you next time.